Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV door locks on Amazon. RV door locks offer reliable security and peace of mind, safeguarding your mobile living space while accommodating easy entry and exit. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Latch.it RV Door Replacement Lock. Latch.it's RV Entry Door Replacement Paddle Lock is a perfect option for anyone looking to buy a simple model. This product happens to be an old-fashioned RV door lock with a deadbolt capable of providing an extra sense of protection. Aside from its ability to offer security, you should value its versatility. This model should have no issues replacing the most popular locks on today's market from brands such as Fastech. It also has shown a great ability to work on various kinds of vehicles, from travel trailers to cargo haulers. This product's design was another standout feature for me. I love the black coloring, as it should mesh perfectly with my RV, which features a black exterior. Therefore, it won't stick out like a sore thumb and keep attention away from my rig's rich color scheme. It comes with all the necessary hardware for installation as well. Number 2. Revlock V4 RV Keyless Entry Door Lock. If you're looking for a reliable electric RV door lock, look no further than the Revlock V4 RV Keyless Entry Door Lock. This model offers and does everything a person could want from one of these products. For instance, this product comes with a sleek design that makes sure it can easily mesh with your RV's exterior. It shouldn't draw any attention to itself and provide the security you're looking for from an excellent RV door lock. You should also find the installation process much easier than expected from a keyless model. It doesn't even require the use of any special or unique tools like some other models. Mounting the lock on my door would end up being a piece of cake. I find its reliability to be outstanding as well. This keyless entry for an RV can function even when it's low on batteries. It will still lock and unlock without issue and ensure you don't face any problems at points when you forget to change the batteries. Number 3. Revlock Compact Keyless RV Lock. This RV lock should be a perfect option for many rig owners. The most apparent benefit coming from its use has to be it not needing a key to unlock or lock your RV door. As someone who always misplaces their keys, you can imagine how appealing this feature is for me. I also love this product's design. This RV keyless entry system happens to be very compact, which makes sure it doesn't draw too much attention. It's not something that sticks out and ruins the appearance of your RV's exterior with its bulkiness. Another area where this model seems to excel is its installation process. Many buyers made a point to note how easy setting up this lock was for them. This lock being able to function when batteries are at a low level was another appealing trait. As I noted above, I tend to have issues with remembering to do specific tasks. This feature would save me from my forgetfulness from time to time. Number 4. Latch.it 09 RV Door Latch. Door locks don't get much more well-equipped than Latch. This RV door latch. Its robust and reliable metal construction has given me a high sense of security. Since installing this RV lock upgrade, I have felt safe and comfortable inside my rig. The product's overall durability isn't anything to overlook either. Its manufacturer was wise to use waterproof technology when constructing this door latch. Due to this, it won't have any issues dealing with rain or other weather conditions. Furthermore, the latch's all-metal finish and sealing gasket are outstanding at preventing rust or dirt buildup. These attributes will keep the product in good condition for a long time. I have a hard time imagining many other locks for trailer doors can offer similar results. Number 5. Latch.it's RV Entry Door Paddle Lock. Latch.it's RV Chrome Entry Door Paddle Lock is a great option for anyone looking to get a simple motorhome door lock replacement. It doesn't feature any spectacular features, but it does provide excellent security. The product can provide this high level of protection due to it coming with a deadbolt. This feature has received a great deal of praise in buyer reviews. Many people were more than pleased with its ability to withstand abuse and keep people from entering their rigs. It also doesn't just work for RVs, either. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.